guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing these new Stranger Things stress toys that I found at Target for $9.99. I found these a couple weeks ago and I've been really excited to open these and test them out for you guys to see if they're actually worth the price. These are kind of pricey. They were $9.99 as I said before, but they look really cool. This one is a stress toy and this one is slime. So this is called Upside Down Goo and what does it say? Liendres? Oh, that's in a different language, never mind. So this is called Upside Down Goo. And on the top you can see it looks like the upside down and it's blue and it says Hawkins and wait, I just noticed there's glitters. So yeah, let's open it, shall we? I think we shall. So this does have like a little pull tab so you can open it easier. I can't do this with one hand. I can't do this with two hands either. So here it is, open. So it's like a dark blue color. Let's see if it has a scent. No, it just has like a regular glue scent. So I don't know. Is it supposed to be scented like blueberries? I haven't touched it. Look how glossy it is. So it's called Upside Down Goo. It's made by Orb Slime, so that's good. Their slime is always good. So let me put it on the floor and see if it's stiff. So this is my first time touching it, so let's see. Oh my god. Why is it so good? Kind of sticky, but it's so good. What kind of sorcery is this? As I said, it is kind of sticky. But let me take it out and I'll be right back. So as I said, I've never played with this slime before and it's actually really good, you guys. It's kind of sticky, but oh my gosh, it's like a real homemade slime. So this next toy is this little stress ball, the alphabet stress ball, and I'm so excited to open it, so let's open it. Okay you guys, so after like 20 minutes of me trying to open that stupid packaging, I finally got it to open. So here it is. It's like a stress ball that has lights inside and has Orbeez. It's kind of really satisfying, not gonna lie. It has the letters too. I don't know if you can see the lights. You see, I see the lights? Yeah, there they are. It's really satisfying. But there's bubbles now. But yeah. I give it a 9 out of 10. just because it's not practical. It's gonna fade away anyways. The slime, I gave it a 10 out of 10. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.